Hi my angels, hi my girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video for you girls. I just got back in the house, but I wanted to do this haul. A package came today and I wanted to talk to you girls about what I ordered from Macy's. So if you see the title, you know already, I wanted to talk about True Religion. True Religion is a brand that was out. Brands go in and out from years to decades. They're in style, they're trending, then sometimes they go out of style, and then before you know it, they come right back in style again. So True Religion has really been making waves lately and is back in style. And I loved it back when it was out originally, several years ago. And I figured, why not now, take advantage of that and jump back on the bandwagon with True Religion. I don't have any of my original pieces, so I said, let me go ahead and order, a few items that I might like. So 3 bags I have to talk to you about, and from my haul, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I love denim. The pieces that I ordered from True Religion are denim. And the reason I have my Telfar bag right here is because I couldn't wait to start wearing one of the bags. Then let me go ahead and show you. So this is the first bag right here that I went ahead and ordered. And I'll have the names for you for all of them. This is the first bag right here. And the reason I went ahead and purchased this bag is because I absolutely love my Telfar small shopper, the UGG and Telfar collab. My small shopper tote right here. I wear the heck out of this bag. So in order to give this bag a rest, I was like, okay, I need something. I need an affordable option for the Telfar bag. And here it is right here, the True Religion bag. Now, they also have this bag with, it has the True Religion logo here, but this bag also comes, you can see it says True Religion on the side right there in a patch. It also comes in a tote, and if you don't want the True Religion logo, you could get the one with the patch on the front, and that way it's just all square. You just have an all square small tote. I'll put a photo of it for you so you can see what that one looks like. It's offered in both styles. However, I do have a couple of bags in my haul, so I wanted one of the bags to have the True Religion logo, the classic True Religion logo. So I went ahead and in the small tote, I went ahead and picked this one up. But as you can see, it's very similar in size to my Telfar. So I just said, you know what, let me give my Telfar a little rest and a little break, and let me go ahead and order this bag, and then that way I could wear it. I just got back in the house, you guys. I was out, you know where, at Macy's, at my favorite store, and I said, let me come in. I saw the package came. I said, let me go ahead and do the video. So let me show you guys what this bag looks like. So here she is, and this is what it looks like on me. It's so adorably cute. It looks so cute on me. I just have it adjusted right now. This is where it's hanging on me. So, I may go ahead and lengthen it or shorten it, but it's so cute. And while I was at Macy's, a sales associate did compliment me on this bag. And I'm thinking to myself, girl, I purchased the bag from Macy's, because she was like, I like your bag. Like, she didn't know where to find a bag like that, a True Religion bag like that. And I'm like, girl, I bought it from your store. I purchased it right from Macy's. They have it in store, or you can order it online. So this is what it looks like, and it's so adorably cute. I absolutely love it. And let me go ahead and show you guys the rest of my haul and what other True Religion bags I picked up. So we have the mini shopper right here. Let me go ahead and show you guys the other True Religion bags that I picked up. So here are the other 2 bags right here, you girls, that I went ahead and picked up, and I haven't even opened them yet, but you can see one is a tote. And then one is this hobo type style bag right here. I'm so excited about these. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the tote first. So I was in Macy's backstage shopping one day, and I actually found this bag in the store in the lighter denim color. And I thought about it. I do this all the time. I ended up putting it back. And when I got home, I ended up thinking about the bag. So I used my trusty ordering skills and went and add to cart at Macy's and put this lovely bag in my shopping cart. They did have the lighter version online, but I decided, since I'm going to be using it as a work tote, to let me go ahead and order the darker one. So I decided to go ahead and order the darker one. And I love this one because it's like classic True Religion. It has the classic logo, and it's a big bag. It's a large tote bag. So here it is right here, and I love denim handbags. I absolutely love denim handbags. And then it has the classic logo right here for True Religion, and it says brand jeans world tour. And then it says fashion for the senses, front row section. So it says front row, it says section row seat right there. And so it's absolutely nice. My little one right here comes with the crossbody strap, and the other hobo that I'm about to unbox or unbag comes with the crossbody strap, but I don't remember it. I don't think this one comes with a crossbody strap. That's probably gonna be the only downfall. It's gonna be a great tote though for work. It can carry a lot. It's so super huge, but I kind of wish it did have a crossbody strap as well. But nonetheless, I'll be able to hold, carry a lot of different things in here. I didn't bring my scissors in here, so we're gonna just have to, luckily this is easy to open. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, no crossbody strap. That's okay though. That's okay. I still really like it. I'm very happy with these True Religion bags. Like I said, I love denim handbags. So this is really, really nice. Denim bags, you could just have denim bags forever. Okay, so here it is. It's a nice, beautiful bag. Look at that in there. Let me take out the silica gel. And then look at that in there. Nice canvas type material in there. Nice cloth canvas type material. It even has some side pockets. It has some, a little bit of sections in there for a water bottle. You could put a water bottle along the side there or something. It has pockets along the side. So it has a little bit of organization in there. Everything isn't going to just fall around loosely in there. It does have some side pockets that gives you some organization in there. And I absolutely love it. It's a nice large tote bag. It's about as big as, I would say, like a Coach Dempsey 40. It's about a big a size as a Coach Dempsey 40, the Dempsey Coach tote. But it's just True Religion. It does have the ticket right here for True Religion. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Let me see, can I pop it off? Okay, yeah, I was able to pop it off. And I'm probably just gonna save this inside my bag because I like to save them, and it does have that inside pocket. So let's see what this looks like. So here it is. This is what it's gonna look like when I wear it. And I could even probably, that might be a little overkill if I carry the one small crossbody and then I carry this bag. But still, just to have this tote with me is gonna be nice to carry with me for work. This tote is gonna be really, really nice. And the last bag that I purchased was this one right here. This one I absolutely love because it looks like a pair of blue jeans. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's nothing cooler than a handbag that looks like a pair of blue jeans. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Ooh, this is so cute. So cute. It gives me a hippies, hipster 70s vibe. But it's a pair, it looks like a pair of blue jeans in denim. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. And it has the long straps. Let me go ahead and take the straps out. So it's like a hobo. She's a little folded, but she's gonna fall out with as I wear her. So she's a hobo. It's gonna be able to fit over my shoulder really easy. She's a nice hobo. And then she comes with her strap. Oh wow, she has some fading along the back there, but that's the way the bag is made to look. Like, have wear, like your denim blue jeans has wear. And these look like pocket on the butt. You know how you have blue jeans that have that pocket on the butt with the flap? This bag looked like a pair of pocket on the butt jeans. Those look like the back of your blue jeans. Okay, let me go ahead and open up the strap here. So we have the strap here. Go ahead and pop it. Okay, I didn't bring my scissors in here, so I gotta pop everything. And then here is the adjustable strap. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it because I'm gonna wanna wear this. Another True Religion tag right here. And let me go ahead and adjust it. And so it's going to be able to be worn crossbody. Let's go ahead and try her on crossbody. She might look a little floppy because I don't have anything in there yet, but when she's all stuffed, it'll look really, really cute. So this is what she looks like crossbody. It's going to be so, so cute crossbody. The True Religion bag. So adorably cute. And then I can also go ahead and wear her as a hobo. So I can wear her in the crook of my arm like this. And I can wear her as a hobo over my arm like this. Oh, that is so cute. She looked like a pair of blue jeans. That is gonna be so, so cute, you guys. I'm loving it. So here is my True Religion haul with all the True Religion jean bags that I wanted to go ahead and haul. I think I'm loving the blue jean denim on these bags. I'm back into True Religion again, you girls. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, stick with me, come back to my channel. I'm probably gonna do a what fits and show you guys what all I have and how I pack these lovely True Religion bags. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you girls in my next fun video. Bye.